As a matter of fact, there's a well-known family law judge in Los Angeles. I think he's retired now.
The judge will accept a tax return unless you are, and I'm talking about the child's attorney's fees, because for spousal support, we can go to lifestyle, but only on the attorney's fees. The judge will take the numbers from the tax return as true numbers.
What if I turn in a tax return that's just, fraudulent? It's not the real one.
There is a way you can ask the court for that party to sign some documents so you can get the taxes directly from IRS. You can get that.
Is that the best practice?
Well, when you're facing a crooked, what other practice can you do? I mean, there's no other way. You can subpoena the signed tax return from the CPA. You can get it directly from IRS. These are the options. Most likely when parties separate, they have filed their taxes most likely jointly, even though one spouse may not have seen it, but mostly jointly, because filing jointly, and you know that better than I do, but being the CPA, they pay less taxes if they file jointly. So the spouse normally can directly get it from the CPA, him or herself. So otherwise it can be subpoenaed. It can be formally asked for a copy of the tax return and all the backup.
Do you think that before you go to court on an RFO for support or attorney's fees, that some discovery should be done beforehand, or no?
It all depends. To do discovery, and discovery is asking the other side for documents, you need to give them 35 days to produce documents. I need to question, do I have that 35 days? Before I get another 21 days or 30 days added to it, is my client going to be out in the street? Okay, there is another option I can do. I file my RFO, and that is, again, about a month out. Let's just say all the RFOs, let's just say that for the sake of this, that it's 30, all of them are 30 days out. I have an option to file and serve the other side with a document saying, hey buddy, on this court date that we have, come to court and bring this list that I'm asking you, your tax return, your bank statement, your this, your that. That I do before I do discovery if I don't have the time, because this way I bought myself 30 days time. That's how I would do it. I would say, come to court and bring it with you.
So you'd give them a subpoena, probably pursuant to notice.
Notice to appear and produce, yes.
Right, and they have to show up with those documents. Now, I remember this happening many times. I follow that procedure, and then at the RFO, they look at me like, are you crazy? We didn't bring any of those documents. What do you do then?
I will not go forward, and I will ask for attorney's fees for wasting my time.
You tell the judge what happened?
I tell the judge what happened. I will not move forward. There is no way of moving forward if I don't have documents for the court to rule from.
Right, right.
And I will ask the other side to pay for my time being there, for them wasting it.
Right. Okay, well, we're going to end this session right here, but on the next video, you and I are going to be talking about discovery. And I'm going to tell you a few interesting discovery stories in the family law sector.
Beautiful.
Okay, so we'll talk about that, and I'll see you on the next video. I'll see you Wednesday. Thank you very much, Leila.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.